Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create pie chart in Excel step by step. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have data, category and amount. To create pie chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here the entire data. After that, go to the Insert tab. In Charts group, have option the pie charts. Just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see the 2D pie and 3D pie is available. So I select here the 2D pie charts. That's it. Here you can see the pie chart is inserted with the Chart Design tab and Format tab. In Chart Design, you can design your charts, and in Format, you can format your charts. In chart design, in chart styles available, just click on this drop down arrow and just keep cursor on the any style and see the preview of the style in this pie charts. Okay, select the style those you want. So I just click on this one and here you see the chart style is changed. Okay, and again go to the chart design. If you want to change the chart layout, in chart layout group, click on the second option, quick layout. Just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see the different type of layout available. When you keep cursor on the layout, see the changes on your pie chart. Check the layout preview. Okay. And I select this one, first one. Click on it and that's it. Your layout is applied. Okay. Now I want to remove this chart title. Again, go to the chart design in chart layout group. Click on the first option, add chart elements. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the first option, chart elements, chart title, and select the first option, none. And that's it. Your chart title is removed. If you want to change the chart type, simply click on the charts. Again, go to the chart design. In type group, click on the change chart type. Just click on it. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, change chart type. You can select any chart here to change the chart type. So here I click on the pie and in pie chart, I select the different type of pie charts. So I select here the pie of pie. Just click on it and see the preview here. You can check the preview of the charts and after that, just click on OK to apply chart type. Okay. See here, the chart type will change. You just drag the corner and you can increase the size of chart also easily. You can see and you can easily increase the size. You can easily move anywhere through the mouse. Okay. And here, one more option is available, switch row or column. In chart design, data group have one option, switch row or column. Just click on the charts and go to the chart design in data group and click on the switch row or column and see the changes over here. Okay, this is a way the pie chart is switch row or column. Okay, I use here the control Z to undo the actions. And here in chart style, there is one option, change color. Just click on this option and you can select the any different color for your pie chart. See the changes over here. Select the color those you want. So I select this one and you can see the change color is changed. Okay. And if you want to move these charts, again click on the charts and go to the chart design. Here in location group, have one option, move chart. Just click on it and here you can see the one dialog box open, the move charts. Okay. So here in object in, just click on this drop down arrow. There are 1 and 2 sheet. In this Excel file, there are 2 sheet. If you want to move in sheet number 2, just click on the sheet number 2. Okay, and click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see your chart is moved in sheet number 2. Okay. So this is a way you can use the chart design option. And in format, just go to your format tab. There are different types of format you can use. In word art style, when you click on this drop down arrow and see the changes on the pie when I keep cursor on the word art style. See? So select the style those you want. So when you keep cursor, you can check the preview on the pie chart. See, I just select this one. Okay. Shade style also you can use here. Colors, theme style. See the themes also change. You can select the theme that you want. You can use these themes also. So I select this one. See the changes over here. Okay. So this is a way you can use these different types of format option also to format your pie charts. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.